Thanks to all leaks, we got a first look at the early CAD renders of multiple Samsung Galaxy A series devices last month, including the Galaxy A51. Courtesy of SamMobile, the first official renders for Galaxy A51 have now been leaked online as well. The successor to the widely popular Galaxy A50 has already been signed off by the FCC, pointing to an imminent launch. Here what we know so far. First things first, Samsung Galaxy A51 design. The latest renders showcase a familiar centered punch hole and an L-shaped camera layout. Samsung has managed to shave off the bezel further and has borrowed the punch hole nestled in the dead center design from the year's Galaxy Note 10. The L-style camera modules have already been spotted on multiple renders scheduled for releases in Q1 of 2020 and seem to be the signature design for Samsung's next generation offerings, flagships and sub-flagships alike. The build is sandwiched between two glass panels offered in four pastel hues: white, black, pink and blue. On the front, you are looking at a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display that produces an FHD plus resolution and houses an in-display fingerprint reader. The camera embedded inside the punch hole maxes out at a respectable 32 megapixels. The cute camera setup on the back features a 48 megapixel main lens rounded off by a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and a pair of 5 megapixel depth and a micro shooters. The 5 megapixel micro shooter is supported to let you snap better close-up without sacrificing focus as you would with the telephoto lens. The internals are reasonably robust. At the heart of A51, you get an Exynos 9611 chip with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of native storage backed into it. There is also a 4GB plus 64GB variant tip to be in production. This hardware will on a One UI 2.0 based Android 10 and will be backed by a 4000 mAh unit with support for up to a 15-volt fast charging. Samsung is all set to unveil the Galaxy A51 and a launch event in Vietnam on December 12, 2019. 7 more models, all parts of the Galaxy A lineup, are expected to follow this release before finally landing in Pakistan at some exciting new Samsung prices.
So before I go to the next video, please subscribe, comment and like, and click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.